Hi guys, it's me again, Christoph Andrew. If you are watching right now, please don't forget to like and share this video and hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. We have another day of special unboxing because for today it's all about the bean and we're going to unbox a lot of beans from Kika Goods, 52 Toys, and I believe there is from Toy Zero as well. So I'm so excited because these are so new to me. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now. So let me start with these two Teddy Mini, which I believe these are Lulu the Piggy. And if you can see in my background, I have some beans from Ozai, which is from Heiwan. So I didn't see what are the collection or the lineup from this series, but I found these very cute and so adorable. That's why I got two. So let me open the first one. Our first bean for today. So one, two, three. Oh, who's this? And what's the color? Oh, nice. This one is so cute, guys. It's a purple, shimmery purple Lulu the Piggy. I guess Piggy here, Lulu the Piggy here is wearing a bear outfit. He is a bear here with a purple bear and purple bow. It's so shimmery. Look, guys. Very nice one. Very cute. I should collect more of the beans nowadays, right? So let me get the second one. What are your thoughts about this one? Let me put this one here and let me open the second one. I forgot to check which are or what are the lineup from this, so I don't know what I am getting. So one, two, three. Oh, this one is so cute. Look, yay! It's a clear one. It's like a gummy piggy, and this one is like a green apple. And there's a lot of glitters inside. It's a translucent finish. Look, guys. I cannot see the face of Lulu the Piggy here because everything is translucent. I believe I prefer this one. So I'm not sure also which one is the special one or the secret, but I got these two for today's vlog. But this one is my favorite. So what are your thoughts about these two? Being from Lulu the Piggy. Give me your thoughts down below. So let me proceed with the next one. Okay. I guess let's open this Lotso from Disney Toy Story. These are Lotso and they have like 2, 4, 6, 8, and 12 confirmed figures. So I don't know if there's a secret here, but from this lineup, I wanna get the sweet, the smile, and I cannot see this one. The sweet, the smile, and I like this one, the eating. So let's see. Maybe they have the same one. Okay. So there's a secret here or like a uh special version. I don't know because they looks the same. So let's see. I hope we'll get a special version here. I like the packaging. It's like a pack of candies, strawberry one, very pink. So let me open this one. Okay, it seems like they have three in the pack. So one, two, three. Oh, this one is so cute. It looks like a candy. Oh, who's this? Okay. Let me check who's this one. Okay, I guess this is the smile. Yeah. So this is the smile, guys. The one in the I'm not sure if it's in the cover. Yeah, it's in the cover. So we got this one. Let me open the second one. One, two, three. Oh, who's this? They are so cute. Very pink one. And this is, okay, the sleepy one. We got the sleepy one. I like this. It looks like a strawberry. And there's a custard on the top. And Lotso is so sleepy here. And this one, it's like Lotso is taking a bath in the half of this strawberry. I like the gradient color of pink and with the blue. And this one is so cool. Very nice material. Looks very sturdy. So let me put these two here and open the third one. One, two, three. Oh! I guess this is the eating one. Let me check. Let me check. Okay. No, maybe. Oh, the surprise. Okay. This one has a different finish, material finish. This one is glossy. Okay. And this one is matte finish. These two are matte finish. So I'm not sure, maybe this one is a special one because it's so different from the other two, guys. Look, these two, the other two are matte finish. This one is glossy type. And this one is so cute, like a strawberry one. I like all of this figure. Very nice. I should get more. What are your thoughts about this, guys? Please comment down below. So let's proceed with our next bin, which is the I guess this is Pixar as well. Remix Mini. Yeah, Pixar, and these are from Toy Story. Yeah, this is from Toy Story as well. And they have 12 confirmed figure and they have one secret here. From this lineup, mm, I wanna get the one in the ice cream cone. Okay, and oh, okay. They look like the same wood, which has a six regular figure, and they have 12 special figure, and they have one secret. Okay, it seems like I got one special figure from Lotso. So here they have 6 by 6. So let's see. I hope I'll get a uh what you call this special figure. I believe they have one, two, three as well. I like the packaging. It's like a donut. Look, guys, these like are very sweet packaging, guys. So let's see. Let me open this. I hope I'll get a special version. Hi, it's so hard to open. Maybe here. Okay, let me open the first one. One, two, three. Oh, this one is so cute and very colorful. Oh, nice! This one is so glossy and the cake is so shimmery. Look, let me see. Maybe this one is the special version, I believe. I'm not sure if this is the special version. Okay. No, I guess this is the regular one. So this is the regular one. The one here. They look all the same. They look all the same. Yeah, I got this one, guys. The cake one. Let me see. Let me show you first. I got the cake one. So let me open the second one. Oh, oh, this one is so cute. Look, I like the color combination. They use a translucent material here. I like the cone finish. I like the intricate detail, guys. Look, guys, this one is so cute, like the ice cream cone. Is this the secret? Is this the special one? Let me check. Let me check. Yeah, we got the special one, which is here. I believe this is the special one. Oh, they look all the same. Oh no, I got this one. Right? This. Yeah, I got this one. And let me open the other one. One, two, three. Uh-oh. What's this? Oh! The guy in the donut. Is it here? Okay. Oh! Is this the secret? Maybe. Oh no, it's not the secret. But I believe. Oh! I got the special one. Right? Yes. Look, guys, I got this one here, which has a probability of 7 over 96. I got a special version, guys. Look. Look, 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 look. I'm so happy. Yay, I got this one. Look, guys. Look, 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 look. 7 out of 96. Yay! I got this. This one is so cool. I should get more of these guys. They look so cute and adorable. What are your thoughts about this lineup so far? So sorry. What are your thoughts about this lineup so far? So please comment down below. So let me proceed with another Disney, which is the Stitch. Looks so cool. It seems like I'm gonna eat something for today, like a gummy bears or candy. So this Stitch has a three in the pack as well. Yes, one, two, three. I like the packaging, and they have 12 confirmed figure as well, and one secret. And they have one special version, which is 7 over 96 as well. Oh, I'm so excited to get this one. And the secret also 1 over 96. So let's see. I'm so excited to open this. Let me show you first the first one. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, look. This one is so cute. They use a metallic translucent material here. Very nice. They are so cute, guys. Look. Which one did I get? I'm not sure if this is the one. I believe so. Yeah, this is the one that I get, right? I guess. I guess it is. They all looks the same. Okay, let me put this one here first. Let me show you the second one. Okay. Oh, this one is a metallic one. Look, I like the gradient color of this one from bronze to silver. Very nice one. Very nice figure. I should get more of this. Which one did I get here? Okay, this is the one that I got. This one. Oh, let me put this one here. Still, they look all cute and so adorable. Let me show you that last one. I hope it's a secret or special version. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Which one did I get? Oh, this one is red. Hmm. Did I get this one? I'm not sure. They look all the same. I'm not sure if the color is the same with this, but it seems like I didn't get a special version, but this one is so cool. It looks like a wine red. Very nice, very metallic figure. Let me put this one here. They are also cute, and let me proceed with the next one. Let's not cut this one, and let me proceed with this. So this one looks like a food-related figure, and the name is the Mischievous Child Afternoon Tea. I'm not sure if how many figures they have, but it seems like they have 4 here in the cover. And I'm not sure if this is the secret, the French fries one. So let's open it. Let me open first the first one. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I like the packaging, guys. Very nice. Okay, so here they have 6 confirmed figure, which is the fries, the toast. I'm not sure what are these. Maybe this is a jelly. This is a candy. This is a bun. And this is a muffin. So let's see which one I'm getting. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. Oops. It's not here. Right? This figure is not here. Look, from this 6, this one is not here, and this looks like a burrito sandwich. So I'm not sure. Did I get a secret, guys? Look, this one is so cute. It's like a burrito. I like the color gradient, and it's not in the cover. So if anyone knows about this one, please comment down below if I got a secret. Let me put this one here. Let me open the other one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. I got this one in the cover. It looks like a pudding, and he's doing a heart finger here. Look, guys, I'm not sure if you can see this one, but he's doing a heart finger. And there's a toppings here like a watermelon or a peach, and these are blueberry. Can you see this one, guys? And this one's like a blueberry pudding, I believe. This one is so cute. Let me put this one here. Let me proceed with the other one. One, two, three. Oh, okay. I'm not sure. It's not here also. So this one looks like a piece of pie, a cherry pie, I believe. Yeah, this one is so cool. It's not here again. I don't know their lineup, but this one is so cute. What can you say about this one, guys? Very small food-related figure. We got the last one. I should get more of this soon. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this one is another different one. It's not here again. Okay, what is this? And it's a shaker, guys. Look, it's a shaker and it's translucent material. Very nice figure. It looks like a jelly food. They are so cute and adorable. Look, it's not here. I don't know the lineup, but these are so cute and adorable. What are your thoughts about these guys? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our next bin, which is this is Lucky Doll. They have a lot of figures here, like 2, 4, 6, 12 confirmed figures, and I believe the bottom figures are, if these are secrets or special version, because these below are not colorful as the other figures on the top. So let's see. I don't know how many figures inside. 1, 2, 3. Oh, they have 3 only. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me remove all first. 1, 2. Yeah, they have 3 only. And I like the packaging. It's very pink. So let's see which one we are getting first. Before I'm going to unveil this one, let me check first the lineup. From this lineup, I wanna get this one, the purple one, this one as well, the one with the sword, the blue one, and the red one, and this. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got a gold one. Oh wait, oops, I almost dropped it. Which one did I get? Oh, I got a special version. Right, okay. Yeah, I got a special version again, the gold one. It's here. Yay! I got another special version. This one is so cool. It's gold, but I like the colorful better. Yeah, look. What can you say about this? He's so gold and with the white hair. Look, okay, let me put this one here. Can he see it? Yeah, he can see it here or maybe here down. Okay, yeah, you can see this one. Let me. Okay, so let me proceed with the next one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Another gold one. Look, I'm not sure if this lineup are the special version or the top one are the special version, but I got another gold, which is here. Let me check. Which one did I get? This one. I know, no. Why it's not here? Did I get this one? Yeah, I guess. But the eyes is not the same. But I believe this is the one I got, right? And it's another gold. I don't like the gold one. I like the one has a color. So let's see. I hope it's not gold. So one, two, three. Wait, it's another gold. I guess these are the regular ones, I believe. Right? And I got the this one. Second to the last. Okay. They're all gold. It's not my favorites because I like the colorful ones better. So, what are your thoughts about it, guys? Did I get the special version or the regular version? So, let's see. Let's proceed with our next pop beans or beans. So, guys, let's proceed with our next bean, which is from Toy City, Laura. Okay, I have one Laura at the background. And this one's my first time to get a bean from them. They have, I don't know what is 16 plus 8 plus 2. Maybe they have 16 regular figures, 8 special figures, and 2 secret. Okay, they have here. Yes. These are the regular ones, and these are the special ones. It's so small, so I cannot see. Okay. In the regular ones, or the special ones, they have a probability of 1 over 72. So the special one, they have 1 over 216. I guess this is a secret, and they have another super secret, which is very rare because it has a probability of 1 over 432. Wow. And this is the Nightmare Bunny, I believe. And the secret is the honeybees. So let's see which one I'm getting. I got one only, so I'm not sure if I'm lucky enough to get a special version or a secret. So one, two, three. Oh, it's white. I don't know. Who's this? Can you check first? Did I get? Oh, okay. This is a regular one only. This one. And yeah, Laura here has a pink hair, and I still like the eyes because there's a stars as a pupil. The finishing of the face is matte finish, and the bare one that she's wearing is a glossy one. Very nice, very simple one. Not so much of my favorites, but still cute. So, what is your thought about this, guys? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our next box, which is the Furry Animal Shelter. And this is Ozai. So I decided to get one because I unboxed some Ozai from their recent collection, which is very adorable. If you can see some of in my background, they are all cute and beautiful and so adorable. So I decided to get another one from this series, and they have like 16 styles plus 2 secret. They have too much. So I'm not sure if this is only one figure, but this one is so full and heavy. And what I want to get from here, mm, I wanna get this, the red one. Okay. I wanna get this one as well. And this one. And this one. And the one with the heart. So let's see. Okay. This one is so full. So maybe they have three here inside. Yeah, okay. One, two. Yay, they have three. So let's see. I like the packaging. Very nice. I like the artwork. Furry animal shelter. I like the branding. It's so colorful. Yeah, even in the small foil, guys, they did a great job with this. So let's see. Let me open this. Our first Ozai again from Furry Animals. One, two, three. Oh, we got the pink one. Oops. Is this? Okay. And this is a flat finish. Look. And there's some like a polka dots one. And which one did I get? Oh, I got this one. I don't know what this 2.5. Oh, okay. Yeah, I got this one with the yellow hair. I guess this is a pink bunny, I believe. Look, guys, this one is so cute and so adorable. Very nice. I like the little feet of Osai here. The face is matte finish. Very nice one. And I like the flax material that they use here. Very soft. Look, what can you say about this, guys? Can you comment down below? And let's proceed with the second one. Nope, where is it? I hope I'll get a secret. One, two, three. Oh, which one is this? Okay, we got the first character here. This one. This one is so cool. I'm not sure which is what animal is this. And what I like about this one is this heart. Look, it has a heart design here. I like the blue hair. I'm not sure if this is a panda. There has no name. It's not translated in English. This one is so cute. I like it. Very detailed one, but I don't like the white one. Let me open the third figure. Hey, I hope it's a secret. Okay, one, two, three. Oh, it's an apple green one. Look, we didn't get the secret, but I got this one. I didn't get my prize as well, but this one is so cool. I like the tails at the back. I'm not sure what animal is this, but this one is so cool, guys. I like it so much. I like Ozai. I'm starting to love him. Very nice figure. What can you say about these three guys? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our next box, which is from Haywan as well. So this is Good Luck Manufacturer. And they have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 figures here. And 4 secrets. These are like an all-star figures or series. And I want to get Mimi. Any of this Mimi. And then I want to get Ozai as well. And yeah, that's it. So let's see, guys, if I'll get my prios, and let's see if the other IPs are so cool also and adorable. I don't know if how many figures are inside. Okay, one. Oh, sorry. My camera is moving. One, two, three. Oh, they have fours. They have four. So let's see. Our first figure from this Good Luck Manufacturer series. One, two, three. Oh, I got Mimi! Yay! This one is so cute. I like the mini Mimi. Very nice one. He's riding in a, I guess it's a, like, I don't know, it's this a cuddle or raddle. I'm not sure. Or it's a paddle board. Mimi is so cute here. I like the eggshell on his head, the horns, and the color of Mimi here. It looks like he's a mini baby here. So let's see, guys. Let me proceed with the second foil. This one is so round. I'm not sure. Did I get the secret? No. Round, round, round. One, two, three. Oh! I guess it's another Mimi. Yay! I like Mimi. And it's like, he's in a, I'm not sure if this is a squash or a purr, but this one is so cool. I got this one. Look, another Mimi. I want to get Mimi, more Mimi. So let's see, guys. Let's proceed with our third one. Wait, wait, wait. One, two, three. Oops! Oh, who's this? Is this Amy? I'm not sure, but this one is so cute. Look, guys. I like the blue gradient on her hair and the black and blue wings. This one is so cool. Very nice. I got, I'm not sure if, what's the name of this? Is this Amy or Mimi or Furfur? I'm not sure. Una? Maybe this is Una. Can you comment down below, guys? But this one is still a cute figure. So let me proceed with our last foil. We didn't get the secret or special one. One, two, three. Oh, oh! Is this Ozai? Look, very nice. Who's this? Oh, there's no translation again. I guess this Bao Bao, I believe. I'm not sure, guys, who's this IP, but he looks so cute and adorable. He's like a splash of slime on his head, and this is like a golden coin. It's a mix of material here, glossy and matte finish. Very cute. What can you say about this, guys? Please comment down below. So guys, this is our last box, and this one is a heavy one. Maybe they have 4 also here. And this is Huntstar Map Mini. Huntstar Map Mini 5. And these are like all-star figures as well from Heiwan. And they have 16 styles and 4 secrets. So I want to get Mimi again. Mimi, Mimi. Ozai. Ozai. I like it. And yeah, I'm not sure. Or this is Mimi also. So let's see. I don't know who's the secret here as well. But they have 4. So how many? 1, 2, 3. Oh, they have 4 as well. Okay. They have like this inside. Look, guys. I don't know what is this. I'll try to figure out this one. Or maybe it's like a scratch one. Like a scratch game. So let's see. And this is the art card. I forgot to show you the art card from the other foil or series that I opened, which is the Good Luck Manufacturer. So this is their art card, by the way. So let's see, guys, if I'll get my prize here or a secret. I like the packaging, guys. Look so cool. There's a brandy. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, I guess this is Una. Yeah, this is Una. I got this one here. Not my favorite. If someone is a fan of Una, can you comment down below? Very purple. Let me put this one here so that you can see her as well. Our second foil. 1, 2, 3. Yay! I got Mimi. Look, Mimi the flower here. I like it. This is so cute. Yay! I like the gradient color of pink. Yes. Mimi here is so beautiful and adorable. Like, he's the buds of the flower, right? Yes, I like this one. Can I put this one here? Oh, how should I? Okay, can he sit like this? Okay, he can sit like this. Look, so let's proceed with the third foil. 1, 2, 3. Oops! Oh, I guess this is Bao Bao. Did I get? Oh, it's not a secret. I guess this is Bao Bao. Oh, I got this one. I like it. He's so cute as well and adorable. This is like a peel of banana. I'm not sure if this banana peel on his head, and he's riding the bucket with the wheels. Very cute, very childlike. Like this one. I like it. So let's proceed with our last foil. We didn't get the secret. Oh my goodness. So let's see. Our last foil. One, two, three. Oops. Oh, who's this? Hmm. I'm not familiar with this IP. Look, guys. It's like like a unicorn or like a sheep. And this is the fur of the sheep, and it's pearlescent finish. Yes, and the mini bot showing him the mini bot. And this one is so cool. Still cool. I don't know the figure. I like the unicorn horn. Very nice one. So, if you are fond of this and you know the name, please comment down below. So guys, this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today. It's all about the beans. So I found them so cute and adorable, and I got a lot of beautiful figures for today. So I'm going to pick some of my favorites, and I'm happy to get some secrets or special figures. So I'm gonna put all my favorites on the front. So of course we got the secret one from this figure. I like this one. I like this one as well from Stitch, the translucent one. I like Mimi as well, of course. I'm a fan of Mimi. And another Mimi, yes. This one. And I like Lulu the Piggy with the purple one. I like also another Mimi. Yes, I like all Mimis. And from Ozai, I like the pink one only. Let me put this one here, the pink one. And I'm not sure if I get some special figures from this series, but I like the burrito one. And from Lotso, I guess I got one special figure because this is a uh, glossy one, but I like this one as well. I like Lotso as well, this one. So these are my favorites, guys, from this collection. And actually, I like this also. Yay! Oops! Oops, 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 oops. Let me line them up. Okay, so guys, these are my favorites from this vlog and from what I unboxed for today. And I hope you had fun watching this vlog. And this is my first time to open the beans. Of course, what I mean, a lot of beans series. So guys, if you had fun, please don't forget to like and share this video. And also, if you're still not my subscriber, please tap the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog and help me reach 1,000 subscriber, guys. And there will be a surprise once I got the 1,000 subscribers. So please, please, please tap the subscribe button, and I hope you had fun. Once again, thanks for watching. Bye.